Hi everyone. Today we're going to study limits at infinity of a polynomial function. For a polynomial function, the limits at infinity or negative infinity are completely determined by its leading term. Leading term of the polynomial is the highest degree term of that polynomial. In symbol, for example, we have the limit of the polynomial as x approaches positive or negative infinity. This is equal to the limit of the leading term as x approaches positive or negative infinity. Example 1. Evaluate the limit of the polynomial negative 2x power 5 minus 6x raised to 4 plus 2x cubed minus 9 as x approaches infinity. Let us identify the leading term. The highest exponent here is number 5 with the term negative 2x raised to 5. So this is the leading term. Now, let us evaluate the limit of the leading term, the negative 2x raised to 5, as x approaches infinity. Let us substitute this infinity to the x. So we have negative 2 times infinity, that is raised to 5. This infinity raised to 5 is simply infinity. And this positive number that grows bigger and bigger, that is infinity, multiplied by the constant negative 2. So the answer is negative infinity. Example 2. Evaluate the limit of negative 4x raised to 5 plus 8x raised to 6 as x approaches negative infinity. Let us now identify the leading term. The highest exponent here is the number 6. So the leading term is this 8x raised to 6. Let us now take the limit of the leading term. Limit of 8x raised to 6 as x approaches negative infinity. Let us substitute the negative infinity to the x. So we have 8 times the quantity, the negative infinity, raised to power 6. We have the power here as even number. So the negative sign of the infinity becomes positive. We simplify this now as infinity. Now, the constant 8 multiplied by infinity is simply infinity. Example 3. Evaluate the limit of 10x raised to 5 minus 6x minus x raised to 7 plus 2x cubed as x approaches negative infinity. Let us identify the leading term. The highest exponent is number 7 with the term negative x raised to 7. So this is our leading term. Let us now evaluate the limit of this leading term. So we have the limit of negative x raised to 7 as x approaches negative infinity. Let us now substitute negative infinity to the x. So we have the negative of negative infinity raised to 7. Let us simplify this negative infinity raised to 7. 7 is an odd number, so when we simplify, the negative sign here of infinity remains. So it becomes negative of negative infinity. And negative by negative becomes positive.